I must have blessing for clean, so half-white ticks and me rich just a freeze up. We are stock chips more than a casino. Team of a clean when me touching the streets. I am a fresh fool. Watching me step through. Air Force white brand new. Girl I pass smell the perfume. So me clean me say
Bow, bow, bow. What's up YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss, and we're back in effect with another video. Alright now people, we have Medz Boss featuring, no, it's not featuring. We have Medz Boss and Nailah Blackman, Say Less. No stress, just said something like that. The song got the lyrics to the song. You see me, I say people, tear up the like button, smash up the like button, get 1,000 likes on the video. You see me, I say 5 emojis, pump them in the comment section. Comment to see your comment over this in the next video. We'll post. What do you mean? Early in the morning, we start off the morning right. So how it feels if you say wake up in the morning to a bad reaction? I'm the reaction boss. Early in the morning, let me say this around 7:30. 7:31 by the time stamp of the video. You understand me? Try 7:32 because YouTube is say notification at the right time. But big up on yourself because we're going for the song people. And the video, you don't know so that we like seriously. When a video post, you don't know the audio thing really. You know? Run tune. Big up Trinidad same way.
Medz boss with the girl them. Oh Lord, come in Nairobi. Tip a little wine from your smooth like butter. From you got a one say go ball for your mother. If you go pop down.
Wait, pause. Why you that for show, mommy? Why you that for show, mommy? Oh, Jano. I like her voice though. Oh Lord, go on. I like her voice though. What that for show, mommy? A while ago. Medz boss with the girl them.
Oh Lord, come in Nairobi. Tip a little wine from your smooth like butter. From you got a one say go ball for your mother. If you go pop down butter.
Yeah.
Young skadage, just every day in the capital trap, every day in the tropical. Yeah. Say we out and wine like animals, just every day like it's carnival. We bad down long, tell them me like, make it what up the place like we there stand by. Girl, them a bubble like Sprite. Nailah, we do what we like.
How you know me girl them
Wallah. Lyrics are cheap. But already that song I win for me already. Cause when they talk about which one them, we try to feature them better. That one I win for me already. You know why? Because them go, could I say verse to verse? You understand me? I try to show you. And that's something like when the collaboration goes, so the second win already. But make we see what go on. What Medz Boss just?
Say we out and wine like animals.
say go ball for your mother. If you go pop down butter.
Alright then.
Just every day in the capital trap, every day in the tropical.
Yeah.
Say we out and wine like animals, just every day like it's carnival. We bad down long, tell them me like, make it what up the place like the day
you all night. Yeah.
Girl, them a bubble like Sprite. Nailah, we do
jump
what
people
we
now.
like.
How you know me girl them best?
Girl, them best.
Yeah.
Island man.
I get the fans them involved.
You know we Trinidad, bad. Say less, don't stress, say no thing. Everybody stay blessed.
Alright then.
Moses, say no thing. Everybody stay blessed. I mean, okay, where I come from, time in a run round.
The song in that video is like, let me see if it's there, so. You know there, so. It's not right here. But, see, after you watch this video, you don't need to go watch after. You know, Coffee from Jamaica, go watch Toast video. That song here, I Trinidad Toast. Yeah, that's what I mean. If you need to go watch Trinidad Toast, as me, so now I'll get the picture. The video, you reckon the same ratio to everything. It does. And this cursing and thing. And the bicycle, hey.
White Coke and Sprite, yeah, put it in a glass, head turn up like baseline, savage in a dance, body bubble like champagne. When I put it on, do run, do I do beg for the lot.
Yeah.
Fight tonight, just a little
All of us
food for brain.
death.
Is a Bible life.
I like her vibe,
How you know me girl them best?
Girl, them best.
We don't gonna act like we don't just see that a while ago. Pause. We just see that. We don't gonna act like we don't just see that a while ago, right? Because see what I go.
Whoa. How you know me girl them best?
So them put this in so fast.
Island man. Oh, you know we party loud.
I know we treat me bad. Hey, no stress.
physical, skin nice, everything natural, yeah. Trini girl one time, proud national, bend anyhow, cause we physical. Real bad girl, let me give you where you like.
Okay.
Place like me there stand by.
I'm waiting, come you want me like, I must know to bump a bit.
We the girl and broke out to a love song. Tell bad man, we don't give up, no. Cause we not talking when we bow them.
I know me girl them best.
The girl them
Oh, you know me island man. Oh, you know we party loud. Oh, you know we Trinidad, bad. Say less, don't stress. Say no, say everybody stay blessed. Say less.
What do we come here do the finger then?
Say no, say everybody stay blessed. I mean, no care where you come from, come in a run down type, come in tough daddy. I want me dance and I come on, cause it's all up. God is a pop daddy.
That song is a hit song. Big up yourself. People, thank you. Thank you for viewing the video. Smash the tape and like button if you don't like the video already. Is me, I say subscribe if you not subscribe already. It's been a boy, Ty. I'm out. Peace.